Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have ECM syncronika espresso machine. This machine was leaking from the bottom, which means we had to replace the gasket inside the cooling element, as well as give it a tune-up, moving the rubber gasket, changing the shower head as well, a bunch of cleaning this part really well. And this gauge had to be replaced, as you can see. Was definitely not showing any pressure. You can see nothing over here. So this is the one shot of espresso, and there's a hot water as well to make sure the machine is working perfectly fine. The grind is a little bit too fine, but it's giving good crema, and it has good color as well. Yeah, as you can see, very fine. Actually working perfectly. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day.